Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by saving and exporting. Do that now so nothing is lost. Once done, quit iMovie and any apps accessing the media. This prevents file locks. Make sure you note your Mac OS and iMovie versions because reset steps vary slightly between releases. You'll also check that your backup is accessible. If it isn't, pause and connect the drive. This first bit protects projects and prepares your system for deeper resets without unexpected data loss. Next, you'll remove user support and cache files to force iMovie back to defaults. Open Finder, use Go to Folder, and navigate to /library/preferences to delete COM. Apple, iMovie list files. This clears user settings. Then remove caches in /library/caches and examine /movies for iMovie library bundles. Move the library or render folders out if you need to preserve them first. By removing these, you clear corrupt caches and render data that often cause crashes or erratic behavior. Finally, reinstall iMovie from the App Store to restore a clean application bundle. After installation, open iMovie and create a short test project to import clips, play the timeline, and export a file. This confirms the reset worked. If you still see problems, reset NVRAM or SafeBoot to rule out system-level issues, and then document Mac OS and iMovie versions for support. If nothing fixes it, contact Apple support, provide version info, and describe steps you've already taken.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.